So it's all done there already?
Let's face it,
Okay.
most of us take this for granted. Going to the doctor, getting our teeth cleaned, getting our prescriptions. But what if tomorrow this was all taken away? You couldn't get your teeth checked, getting a doctor was hard, and you couldn't afford your meds. It's something we don't give a second thought to. But for those who don't have any of that, there is a place that can help.
It's been spectacular. It's just a great improvement from where we were before.
Wayne Sheeran uses the Access Health Centre, which this week celebrates 1 year. It was opened to a tune of $5.3 million, money that came from local organizations, health authorities, as well as other donors in the community.
People I know who normally would stay away from clinics in a place like this, they hear about how good it is, so, they come and experience it, and so what happens is they get better health care.
Over the past year, about 4,000 people have come through these doors to use the services offered by the Access Health Centre. They include everybody from the working poor to the homeless and people living with HIV.
Certainly the increased number of people coming through our doors, the fact that we have more examining rooms and much more space, we're able to see more people, and our staff are enjoying that.
The centre has a dental clinic, doctor's office, pharmacy, counsellors, as well as AIDS Vancouver Island.
If you saw our old space, it was about half this size with your basic residential kitchen facility. So you can imagine that preparing over 200 meals a week within that kind of a space is quite tight.
AVI provides about 8,000 meals a year. Every day they serve about 40 to 50 people living with HIV. And it's important to serve the types of meals they do, which is high protein, high calories, especially for people living with HIV. Dental is an expensive part of our health, but unless you have extended coverage, not everyone can afford this.
Unfortunately, our waiting list is quite long for the dental clinic because dental care is not something that is easy to access if you're not covered by your policy if you're working.
Although we wish there wasn't a necessity for all these services, what if this place wasn't here?
Well, certainly they would be going to the emergency room a lot more often than they do. They perhaps if they had coverage, they may be going to walk-in clinics.
The Access Health Centre is still looking for a large donation to help pay off its mortgage so it can help pump money into other programs for the people using this facility. In Victoria, I'm Sucheta Singh, your health and wellness specialist.
Producing over 9,000 hours of local programming every year. This is Shaw TV, your local voice.